Hi there guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review the Make Me Up Cosmetic Lip Collection. So let's talk about the packaging first. It comes in a cardboard box which is very beautiful. See? As you can see the packaging, it's beautiful. It's a golden black box. So yeah. So let's talk about what's inside this lip collection. So this collection contains 3 lip crayons and 2 lip gloss wands. And here, as you can see, the ingredients are listed below, which is a very good point. And you can see the manufacturing date and the production date and the expiry, that is the 24 months. Up to 24 months you can use these products. So let's begin to review and let's begin to swatch these. So it comes in 3 crayons, these 3 crayons, and 2 shiny lip glosses, and this is basically how you can make your lips fuller. So the step 1 is you first have to draw the shape of your lip using the lip crayon, any one of these. You have to shape the lip and corners of your mouth for greater definition, and for a fuller look, draw slightly outside the actual lip line, just right here, as you can see. So the step 2 is you have to choose the lip gloss color and apply to the lower lip. Starting from the center, when the lower lip is finished, apply the lip gloss to the upper lip. Use a mirror to check your lips from the front and side to ensure that there is no smudging. And for the further top tip, to emphasize the fullness of your lip, apply the high shine gloss only to the center of the lip. The light will reflect off this part for your lips, accentuating their full lips. For a high fashion look, use the matte finish lip gloss and apply to the whole lip. So let me swatch it out for you guys. So this color right here, let me take it out for you. And I cannot take it out. Oh yeah, I can. Yeah. So let me just swatch it for you right here. So this is a very peachy nude shade with a hint of shimmer to it. Next shade is, this reminds me of cotton candy, a very cotton candy color. The pigmentation is beautiful. It's highly pigmented. Wow, this is very pigmented, soft, and very moisturizing. Talking about the lip glosses, now let me swatch this for you. Let me show you how this looks over here. See? Very shiny. And when these will reflect off your lips, they will definitely going to make your lips fuller. So this is a very nude color, and this is very baby pink, nudish pink color, which will definitely make your lips fuller. So I would definitely recommend this kit to very fair skin tone, and definitely to some sand sort of complexions. And this color will look great on dark skin tones as well. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you will like this review, and if you like my video, please share, like and subscribe. That's the grill, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.